What's up, Kalian? It's me, Shireen. It's another day, another gastos. Wow.
Where are we going? Is that to go?
Where is Zaki going?
Where are you going? For today's buffet, let's try Balay Fiesta at Session Road. Pagpasok namin, may birthday party sa other side, but the buffet is still open.
So today is weekend.
Overall rating, yung taste lasang lutong bahay. From the name itself, balay. Sa serving, marami kang pagpipilihan and whole day siya open. So okay na for me yung 499 pesos. Yung mga food na available, in fairness, hindi tinipid. Like, there are a lot of choices for chicken. Either yung grilled chicken, buttered chicken, or basta hindi iisang putahe per meat ganon. Sa dessert naman nila, carry lang para ka lang rin umattend ng event. The usuals, yan mga cake and pastries on the side. Palitaw.
Bet ko yung oatmeal cookies masarap siya.
Kay pork steak, gusto ko yung pagka-soft niya, tender talaga siya, hindi siya yung parang bubblegum, pero parang nasobra antikwan, paminta. Charing!
Part D niya.
So baby back ribs, tikman natin.
Ay, ang puti ka. Sarap ka pa ba? Formalin.
Overall rating 7 over 10, nakapromise nga lang yung lasa ng food dahil hindi na siya ganon kainit. Optional ang pag-reheat, medyo DIY yung ganon.
What's this? Ubat! Mga kaubat.
Pagmahal ko.
Kamuna ka na rito pero masarap.
Eto guys, lagwak. Marama na kayo glutinous rice na
One only! Sa pinsan pala namin yung nag-birthday party. Ayan. So, for today's weekend, 499 pesos yung babayaran namin kasi walang lechon. Ay. Walking with the pan. Look here. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, you go alone. We're so tired.
Nakaka-disappoint si Good Shepherd. Wow, disappoint. Kasi naman limited yung drinks nila at the same time puro sold out pa nung pumunta kami. Plus, sa main daw nila, available yung ube jam. Doon lang daw available, hindi nila binibenta dito. Nag-take out kami and yes, masarap naman siya. Hindi ko nga lang na video. Aside from that, accommodate yung staffs nila. Ayun, since puro sold out kay Good Shepherd, pumunta na rin kami sa Rebel Bakehouse. Kaso limited lang din talaga yung available dito. Mas bet ko talaga yung main branch nila.
Hello.
Let's go in. Okay, let's go, let's go. Tapos ayun. Dito tayo sa Ililica Artist Village. Run ko daw, pabalik na sana kami. Oh.
Here, look at me.